Today we're going to be stream sniping public CCTV cameras in my BMW. Let's go.
There's over 7 million cameras in the UK, and some of these cameras are streamed online. We're going to make it our mission to stream snipe these CCTV cameras while trying to complete challenges along the way, including a fake crash, launching fireworks, free self-advertising, and shooting flames from our exhaust. And now let's track down the first camera. Okay, so this is going to be the most difficult one to stream snipe. You can see it's a weather channel based in the UK. You can see if we go on the stream, it seems to be on someone's house. You can see at the bottom here it says Force 13's roof cam is located 10 miles west of Manchester. I'm guessing it's around this location here somewhere. I want to write something on the ground here with chalk, so I might write subscribe, and that can tick off our self-advertising challenge. Now, to find this camera location, we need to find the housing estate. I did this by finding the owner's details from a news article which mentioned what town he was in. I then looked around all the different housing estates until I found houses that looked similar, and after some time I think I found the location. I swear this is it. Hold on. Wait, yeah, this is it. I swear. Let's see. I think it's these houses here the camera's looking at. And okay, there's a pink door here. And yeah, there's a pink door here. I'm pretty sure this is the exact location. And now it's time for the big stream snipe. We're gonna write subscribe here. So let's stream snipe this live stream.
Okay, so after a half an hour drive, I'm finally outside the house. The cameras are rolling. And don't worry, we're going to be doing it with chalk so it comes off the second it rains. And you can see I've got some proper industrial chalk. But we need to cover our identity. How thick these chalks are. Okay, I've got the gloves on, I've got the belly on. I'm about to go. I've got to be really quiet.
I made my way around the corner and towards a CCTV camera, trying to be as quiet as possible. I didn't want to wake up any of the neighbors, as if we got caught, there's a good chance we will get in a lot of trouble, and someone may have even tried calling the police. So I used a chalk to outline all of the letters as quickly as possible, as I didn't want the car to come around the corner. And after that, I started filling it in, but the worst possible scenario happened. I heard a motorbike coming down the road. I didn't want to leave it half finished, so I filled in the rest of the letters as best as I could, as the goal was to advertise on stream, and I wanted it to be visible from the live cam. I then picked up my camera, waved at the CCTV, and made my way out of there.
Okay, it's done.
And just as I was leaving the scene, the guy on the motorbike spotted me, and he started looking at me very confused. So not knowing what to do and how he would react, I ran towards my car as quickly as I possibly could while he was staring at what I just did to the ground. I started my car and fled the scene.
Go down some random housing estate for a second. I could hear a bike coming out the end, and literally just as I left, this guy came on his motorbike and he was looking at me. But now I'm just down some random housing estate, and I'm just gonna stop, look at the footage and see if the guy's looking at it.
After taking his bike back to the house, 10 minutes later he came out again just to take photos of the subscribe sign. And if that's not worth a subscription, I really don't know what is. But we still had to escape the town in case he called the police.
Okay, it might just be being paranoid, but a few minutes ago, 2 police cars went past going the same direction. It's probably for something else. Either way, it's best to get out of here. On to the next stream snipe.
So I found another CCTV location, and it says it's near the Trafford Centre. So we can see the city skyline in the background, and we can see some construction work here. And funnily enough, I know where this is. We should be able to find this pretty fast. So let's just look for this thing, and let's see if it appears on the CCTV. And yeah, you can see the same tower is there. I'm going to try and park up around here, and obviously we have to complete the challenges. So I'm going to try and launch a firework from some private land.
Okay, so we're 3 minutes away from where I think this CCTV is located. And just a disclaimer for YouTube, this is all in a controlled environment. And for everyone watching, do not try this at home. You can see my car is there. Now we're going to launch this rocket from some private land. So I'll be back in a second. Holy shit, man. Oh my god, that was so loud, man. That was so loud. I didn't expect it to be that loud. We need to get out of here. Holy crap, that echoed everywhere. Everyone's looking at me, I think they know it's me. Fuck it. The game's the game. These people are looking. So this time I'm going to try and get closer to the camera, obviously not damage anything. Oh my god. Holy shit.
So I came across this live stream. It says it's in Manchester, Deansgate. You can see it is streaming live. We can see people walking about. We can see that there's what seems to be a Sainsbury's. I'm gonna go on the map, and all I'm gonna do is type in Deansgate, Sainsbury's. Okay, yes, I think that is the same building. We can see the ATM there. Yeah, you can see that matches up. So this building with the white writing is this here. Okay, so now I know where it is. We're gonna try and stream snipe it.
We need to find this CCTV camera. This is like one of the best ones in Manchester because it's so high quality. So I just really hope we can somehow find a way to get on that road, even though most of the roads are closed. Oh shit, there's police. I'm not sure if you guys can see, but there's nightclubs. I didn't expect there to be nightclubs on a Thursday night, but apparently there is. It's really busy. There's police about and stuff, I think because of the Christmas markets. So let's just hope everything goes to plan. Where is it? Okay, I see the camera. It's there. Hopefully that was on camera. I probably did loads of damage to my car then. Okay, so now we found the location of the camera and we're actually on the CCTV live stream. I'm going to enable a smoke screen. This is something I installed in a past video. So I'm going to turn this on and try and get people to think my car's broken down. Okay, right, some people are coming now. I'm going to turn on the smoke screen. I don't know. No, I'm not sure. I think I might have blown the engine.
Just call an AA.
Do you think? I might just try and drive it back.
Don't drive this, bro. Don't drive it.
Don't.
Don't drive it.
It's probably alright.
Yeah, I think it's just an oil leak. The bouncer told me not to drive it, which is good advice. He's a very smart person and a nice person. And the women were more like me, and they said to just drive it back, which is what I would have done. Okay, I'd say that was successful. I may have done some damage to my car, but it doesn't matter. Let's get to the next CCTV camera.
So here's another CCTV camera near Trafford Park, and I think this will be a good place to try and find because you can see there's a road where we can do one of our challenges. And maybe we can even stop here for a second and try and get the flames on camera. Okay, so there's some land here. Maybe it's here. Oh wait, yeah, I think it's here because there's some construction work happening. Let's see if these trees are there as well. Okay, yeah, this is 100% the location.
I just got to the Trafford CCTV location and this one goes off in a few minutes. I don't know why, but at night time it goes off, so we got to be really quick. First, I'm just gonna make sure I'm appearing on camera, and I've also installed the flame tune. Hopefully we won't get in trouble for this because it's really loud. And now let's try and shoot some flames from my car. Right, I'm now gonna try and drive down the road and get some drive-by shots of my car spitting flames. Oh my god. Yes! I just saw a flash. I'm pretty sure that was a big flash from the back of my car. Maybe I'll try and do it one more time. We might be able to just park up here for a second and do it. Holy shit. Alright, let's go. We achieved that challenge. Stream sniping a CCTV camera with exhaust flame.
Retaliate has been arrested by the FBI for being a menace. He literally used CCTV to snitch on himself. An FBI spokesperson said, quote, "If you subscribe to the channel, we might let him free."